The following is a series of pictures that I took before I started shooting video. I call this project the Ratson Rod because I'm making a hot rod and I'm trying to use all Datsun Nissan parts. In this picture you can see the beginnings is a 720 pickup truck, which I've removed the cab and the bed from, and you can see the chassis there. Here's the back of the frame where I'm notching it to Z-frame it. And here's the first part of the Z-frame. I've bent it up and I've got the new rear end in place. And there's the second part of Z-ing it where it's bent back down and fish plated and welded up. Here's a picture of the rear end. I'm making it a 3-link. You can see the panhard rod hanging there and the rear shocks, which are off of the rear of a Z31. I'm going to make my own coilovers. This rear axle assembly is from a 95 Pathfinder. It's a limited slip with disc brakes. This is the new top mounts for the coilover shocks. Here's another picture from the rear. You can see the upper third link bracket is welded to the top of the differential. Here's another picture of the rear with the new coilovers installed over the shocks, and to the right you can see the panhard rod bracket bolted to the panhard rod. Here's a picture from the top. You can see the upper third link that's bolted to the bracket on top of the rear end going forward. And here's a picture of the front of the upper third link chassis bracket. You see it's adjustable. Here's another picture of the top. You can see the upper third link and the top of the coilovers. And here's another picture from the side where you can see the upper third link, and you can also see the lower control arms. They're mounted to the original front mount of the leaf springs. Here's the lower brackets for the two lower control arms. They need to be plated in and reinforced a little more. Here's another shot of those lower control arm brackets that are mounted to the rear axle. And here's a mock-up shot with the engine, transmission, and driveline in place. Chassis at ride height. You can see the blocks there holding it up. It's a VG33 and a truck transmission. Here's the bottom of the 620 cab that I'm using. You can see where I've slotted it to channel it over the frame. Here's a picture of the 620 cab test fit down on the chassis. You can see the frame rails protruding through the floor. And here's a picture of the front of the floorboards. You can see the cross member where I had to clearance for that. Oh, and here's a picture of the cab test fit on the chassis, roughly where it's going to go, blocked up to the right height. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope to see you soon.